Today, I'll walk you through step by step how to remove columns in ClickUp. Whether you want to simply hide them from your current view or permanently delete a custom field from your workspace entirely. ClickUp is one of the most powerful project management platforms available today, and knowing how to control exactly what columns appear in your lists keeps everything clean, focused, and far easier for your whole team to navigate. If this is the kind of content you find useful, please hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss a tutorial, and let's get right into it. Let's start with the first and safest approach, hiding a column. Hiding is the right move whenever you want to clear a column from your view without touching any of the data stored inside it. This distinction matters because ClickUp has two kinds of columns. Default fields, things like assignee, due date, and priority, are baked into every workspace and cannot be permanently deleted. Custom fields are the ones you create yourself, and those can be erased entirely if needed. For default fields, hiding is your only real option, and once you understand that, it stops feeling like a limitation and starts feeling like a feature. The data stays exactly where it is, you can restore the column anytime, and nothing else in your workspace is affected. To hide a column, simply right-click the column header. That's the label sitting at the very top of the column, and a drop-down menu will appear on your screen. From that menu, click Hide Column, and the column disappears from your current view immediately without deleting a single piece of data. It is fast and completely reversible. If you prefer a more visual way to manage this, look all the way to the right side of your column headers for a small plus icon. Click that, and ClickUp opens the Column Manager, a side panel that displays every available field and lets you toggle them on or off using simple checkboxes. Unchecking a field hides it, and checking it again brings it right back. This manager is especially handy when you want to reorganize several columns at once because you can see everything laid out in one panel rather than right-clicking header by header. One expert tip worth keeping in mind: column visibility in ClickUp is view-specific. If you hide a field in your list view, it stays hidden there, but that same field will still be fully visible in your board view, table view, or any other view you have set up, unless you explicitly hide it in each one. Once you understand this, it becomes a genuinely powerful tool. You can design each view to surface only the information that matters in that context. A developer-facing view might show technical priority fields and sprint estimates, while a client-facing view stays minimal and polished. Managing your columns thoughtfully at the view level is one of the quickest ways to make ClickUp feel less overwhelming for your team. Now let's move to the second scenario: permanently deleting a custom field column. This is the step you take when you created a custom field that is no longer relevant and you want to erase it, along with every piece of data stored inside it across your entire workspace. This is a meaningfully more serious action than hiding, and ClickUp treats it that way. Before you click anything, take a moment to confirm that nobody on your team is still relying on that field and that you genuinely don't need any of the data it contains. Once you remove it from the active workspace, recovering it requires navigating to the trash folder, and that window is limited. To delete a custom field, right-click the column header just as you did for hiding. This time, look for the option labeled Delete Field. Depending on your version of ClickUp or your screen layout, you might instead see 3 dots appear when you hover over the column header, sometimes called a More Options menu. Click those 3 dots and the Delete option will be right there. Once you select it, ClickUp will display a warning pop-up asking you to confirm the deletion. Read that warning before clicking through, because it spells out exactly what you are removing and reminds you that the action affects the field across the whole workspace, not just your current view. Confirm it, and the field is deleted. Here is the reassuring part. ClickUp gives you a 30-day safety net. Deleted custom fields are not gone permanently the moment you confirm. They move to the trash folder, where any workspace owner or admin can navigate and restore them within 30 days. So if someone on your team deleted a field by mistake, or you realize a few days later that it was still being used, you have time to recover it. After 30 days, the deletion becomes permanent and irreversible, so do not treat the trash as long-term storage. One more practical note before you go: if you find that the delete field option is grayed out or simply does not appear for you, that is intentional. ClickUp restricts permanent field deletion to workspace owners and admins, because deleting a custom field removes data for everyone. If you do not have the right permissions, contact your workspace admin and let them make that call. It is a sensible safeguard that protects your team's data. And with that, you now know exactly how to remove columns in ClickUp using both methods: hiding a column to keep the data while decluttering your view, and permanently deleting a custom field when you are ready to remove it from the workspace for good. Both techniques give you real meaningful control over how your workspace is structured and what information you and your team are working with every day. As a next step, consider doing a quick audit of your custom fields every month or two. It is a small habit that keeps your workspace lean and prevents unused fields from quietly accumulating. Save this video so you can revisit these steps whenever you need them, and I will see you in the next one.